Welcome to my channel. Today we're looking at the Cadillac Eldorado, reimagined for 2026. Is this the luxury coupe America needed, or a nostalgia play gone too far? Stick around, we'll break down design, powertrains, tech, price and how this Eldorado would stack up against modern rivals. Before we dive in, quick note, Cadillac's heritage includes the classic Eldorado, a name synonymous with tail fins, glamour and top-tier luxury, but Cadillac's official pages still list the Eldorado as a legacy model, discontinued decades ago. Cadillac's current product push is focused on new ultra-luxury electric models like the Celestiq and forward-looking concepts that hint at the brand's future language. So what I'm describing is a realistic, well-informed imagining of what a 2026 Eldorado could be if Cadillac brought the name back with modern tech and luxury. Quote, design, language and exterior. First impressions. The 2026 Eldorado would fuse Cadillac's skyscraper vertical lighting and sharp creases with retro cues, a low, sweeping roofline that nods to the original coupe silhouette but executed with modern proportions. Picture a long hood, short overhangs, and a sculpted rear that references the Eldorado's most famous fins, subtly integrated as aerodynamic flares rather than literal fins. Expect large, multi-spoke wheels, a bold daytime running light signature and a panoramic glass roof that makes the cabin feel like a private jet. This aesthetic would signal Cadillac's attempt to marry heritage with contemporary luxury. Powertrain options. What Cadillac might offer. Under the sheet metal, the 2026 Eldorado should be offered in two believable flavors, a high-end electric Grand Tourer and a performance gasoline or hybrid variant for purists. The EV would use a dual-motor AWD setup to deliver immediate torque, think 600-plus horsepower for flagship models and SUV 4-second 0 to 60 times for the sportier trims. A gasoline or hybrid Eldorado could lean on GM's next General V8 architecture for a silky, long-distance cruiser with real range and character. Cadillac's recent concepts and product investments show the brand is serious about electrification and luxury performance, so a dual strategy makes sense. Quote, interior and tech. Inside, this is where Cadillac must win hearts. Think high-grade leathers, hand-stitched surfaces and a clean, horizontal dashboard anchored by a sweeping panoramic display. The Eldorado should be a quiet cocoon, active noise cancellation, adaptive suspension with comfort and grand touring modes, and seats that massage and ventilate. Tech would include a next-gen Super Cruise or equivalent hands-free system, over-the-air updates, integrated wellness features, ambient lighting and biometric monitoring, and a bespoke sound system tuned to the cabin's proportions. Cadillac's Celestiq and recent concept work show the brand is prioritizing ultra-luxury materials and custom experiences, and an Eldorado would borrow heavily from that playbook. Quote, driving character and chassis. Imagine the Eldorado as a GT, not an out-and-out track car, but a precise, planted cruiser that can hustle when asked. Active anti-roll bars, torque vectoring and adaptive dampers would let the Eldorado balance poise with engagement. If Cadillac offers both EV and ICE versions, the EV would be the instant torque rocket for city on-ramps while the gasoline GT would reward long highway runs with linear power and acoustic drama. Either way, expect refinement to be paramount. The Eldorado name evokes comfort and presence, and the chassis should underline that. Safety and driver assist. As a modern Cadillac, the Eldorado would be packed with safety tech, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise with stop and go, lane keeping, and the latest driver assistance stacks. For buyers at this price tier, features like surround view cameras, augmented reality navigation overlays, and advanced occupant monitoring would be standard or available. Cadillac's concept ambitions and the rollout of features like Super Cruise make this a likely reality. Quote, pricing and trims. Realistic expectations. Price. If Cadillac truly positioned the Eldorado as an ultra-luxury Grand Tourer, expect entry trim north of $80 minus $90K and fully loaded variants pushing past $120,000, a price band that competes with European rivals and even high-end American hand-built offerings. A limited, Blackwing, style performance Eldorado or a bespoke Celestiq level hand-built variant could be priced significantly higher. Remember, Cadillac has already been moving upmarket with limited production assets and bespoke EVs, so a premium price tag would be consistent with that direction. Quote, rivals and market fit. Who would the Eldorado fight? The obvious targets are Mercedes-Benz S-Class coupe derivatives, BM's 8 Series, and Grand Touring models from Audi and Lexus. If the Eldorado is an EV-first GT, it could also face off with high-end Tesla models or Polestar's flagship concepts. The Eldorado's advantage would be American design DNA, a unique blend of classic cues and modern tech, and, if executed well, a compelling value proposition versus Euro rivals. Criticisms and risks. Potential pitfalls. Leaning too hard into retro nostalgia could make the Eldorado feel like a theme park throwback instead of a serious luxury competitor. Pricing that undercuts the competition would harm exclusivity. Pricing too high would demand flawless craftsmanship and dealer experience. Cadillac also needs to make sure service, software updates and long-term support match the luxury expectations buyers will have. So, would a 2026 Cadillac Eldorado make sense? Absolutely, but only if Cadillac treats it as more than a badge. It must be a thoughtfully designed grand tourer that marries heritage with the company's modern tech ambitions. The name carries weight. Used correctly, it can help Cadillac reclaim a distinct space in the luxury market. If Cadillac announces an official Eldorado revival, it should marry Celestique-level materials and tech with driving refinement and clear identity. Quote, "If you like this deep dive, hit like and subscribe. I make weekly videos on reimagined classics and the future of luxury cars." Drop a comment. Would you want an EV Eldorado, or would you pick a twin-turbo V8? Which color would you take? See you next time.